Hey friends, so today I wanted to share a project that we built on the live stream a while back. I've always kind of wanted this tool to generate banner images for my Twitter banner that looks kind of like a Pokemon battle scene. So I'll show you what I mean. In the app itself, it's called Battle Banners, and it generates this scene for you. And you can do things like change the opponent and change some of the configuration. And let me just show you this cool little thing that we built into the app that's a little bit of a surprise. So if I select an opponent and I change it to, let's say, Charmander, how cool is that? But we basically are playing the Pokemon cry that is associated with the Pokemon that we selected. So if I go back to Bulbasaur, we get the different one. That's super cool. We also did something a little bit different here as well, where I can take some random image from my computer and put it into the sprite. And it'll just grab a random sound effect, a random Pokemon cry, and apply it. And it's just super cool. A lot of fun building that. And I wanted to show you how we did it. So if I go into my code, I can see we have a couple of event listeners associated with those two inputs. The first one sets the opponent when you select it from the dropdown. So it's a select element that has the event listener, grabs the event target, does some work to get the value, and finds the Pokemon from a list of existing Pokemon. And as part of that, or right after we select the Pokemon, we also generate a new audio object with the web audio API and associate it with a file that exists in our directory somewhere, and then we play that file. It's really as easy as that, and done correctly, it can add some nice UI little to a page that really sort of sets it apart. So a nice little API, very easy to work with, a lot of fun to play with, and beautiful when you do it right. And the other one that we randomly select is also on the file change, where we have a file change event listener, we grab the files, we do a little bit of work to create a file reader, and when that file is read from the file system and put onto the page, we just grab a random Pokemon from our list and then do the same thing with the audio API. It looks pretty much the same, and play the Pokemon cry for the random Pokemon that we selected. So again, it's a lot of fun. It's a nice way to add a little bit of whimsy to your app, and I thought it was super cool and worth sharing. So if you want, go ahead and check out the MDN docs on the audio API. It's got a pretty simple API, and it's a lot of fun to play with. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this image now and put it onto my Twitter banner, and I will catch you next time. Oh, it's so cool. It gets me every time.